In this quick tutorial, learn how to find your Polygon address in Best Wallet. Your Polygon address can be used to receive Pol or any token on the Polygon chain, as well as check your wallet on a blockchain explorer like polygonscan.com, or share it with Best Wallet's support team. Every multi-chain wallet in Best Wallet has a different address for different blockchains, meaning your Polygon address is not the same as your Bitcoin address. Here's how to find the right one. First, open Best Wallet and select the wallet you want the Polygon address for. On the home screen, tap the Receive button. Then tap the Chain tab and choose Polygon. Each blockchain type has its own unique address, and using the wrong one can lead to failed transactions or lost funds. Once you've selected Polygon, you'll see your address as both a QR code and a long string of characters. You can copy it to your clipboard or scan the QR code from another device. And that's it. That's how to find your Polygon address in Best Wallet.